Hello my friends, welcome back to another tutorial of my channel. In this video I want to show you how to crochet a very beautiful and very simple messy bun beanie hat. I made this messy bun for adult size, but you can adjust that for each size you want. You have to measure around the head and height of your head and then follow the instructions in the video. For this messy bun hat, I used a medium worsted weight yarn and two number of hooks. The first is 5 millimeters for the brim and the second is 5.5 millimeters for the body. If you're ready, let's get started. I start my work from the brim, so make a slip knot and make 9 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. If you want to have a wider brim, you can add more chains. Yarn over and skip the first chain from the hook and start the work from the second chain. So insert hook into second chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through these 3 loops on the hook to make the first half double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert hook into next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over and pull through 3 loops on the hook. And again, repeat that work. We have to make 1 half double crochet into each chain until the end. Okay, now row 1 is finished and I have 8 half double crochet, 1 less than the foundation chains. Now for row 2, make a chain and turn the work. First make 1 normal half double crochet into first stitch here under both loops of that, and then make 1 back loop half double crochet into next stitches. Yarn over, insert the hook into back loop of next stitch here and make 1 half double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert hook into back loop only here and make 1 half double crochet, and repeat that work for each of next middle stitches and make 1 back loop half double crochet into all of them. And now for last stitch I have to make 1 normal half double crochet again, such as the beginning of half double crochet. Insert hook under both loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook, and row 2 is finished. For next row, we have to repeat this row. Make a chain and turn the work and make 1 normal half double crochet into the first stitch and the last stitch, and 1 back loop half double crochet into each of middle stitches. This is the first half double crochet under both loops of first stitch, and then the next half double crochet into back loop only, a normal half double crochet under both loops of the last stitch again. And row 3 is finished. Make a chain and turn the work and again repeat this row. We have to repeat this row several times until the length of this band reach the desired size, okay? And the number of these rows should be a multiple of 4. So you have to make a multiple of 4 repeats of this row of half double crochet until you reach the desired size for your circumference. Okay, I made 40 rows of half double crochets, and now the length of this band is fitted to my circumference and it's suitable for adult size. And now I want to join both sides of that together to make a circle with that. So fold the band in half and put 2 edges together and make slip stitches through each stitch of the last row with each stitch of the first row. Insert the hook into first stitch here and the first stitch of first row, and yarn over, pull through and pull through this loop on the hook and make a slip stitch. Then go to next stitch under both loops of that, or you can insert the hook into back loop of next stitch only, and then insert the hook into next stitch of row 1 and join both of them together with a slip stitch, and repeat that work for other stitches, and join each stitch of last row to each stitch of first row and make slip stitches until the end. And now my brim is ready, and I have to turn inside out so that these slip stitches are placed into the work. Okay, and you can see this seamless join, and we're ready to start the body. So you can change the hook and start the body with larger hook through this long edge of the brim. Make a chain first, and then we have to make half top crochets, and make 3 half top crochet for each 2 rows of the brim. So first make 1 half top crochet here at top of the first row, then go to this line and make 1 half top crochet here, and then go to next row and make half top crochet at top of that, and repeat that work. 1 half top crochet at top of next row, 1 half top crochet here, 1 half top crochet into this line at top of that, and 1 half top crochet at top of next row, and repeat that work. Make all half top crochets until the end. Now at the end of round 2, make a slip stitch at top of first half top crochet and start next round with a chain. In this round we should make first 3 half top crochet into third loop of first 3 stitches, and then make 3 normal half top crochet. Okay, yarn over, insert the hook into third loop of the first stitch, then make 1 half top crochet into third loop of the second stitch, and then make 1 half top crochet into third loop of the third stitch. Okay, and then make 3 normal half top crochet under both loops of next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3, and repeat that work and continue this sequence again. 1 into third loop, 2, and 3, and then 1 half double crochet under both loops of next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3, and continue this work until the end. And after that we have to repeat these 2 rounds, round 2 and round 3 of the body several times until the height of the messy bun reaches the desired size. I repeated round 2 and round 3 4 more times. You may need to crochet more repeats or fewer repeats based on the thickness of your yarn and your desired size. And when you reach 2/3 of the desired height of your head, you have to stop repeating and start decreasing. Now, I reached 15 centimeters, that's 6 inches, and it's 2/3 of my height of my head, and now I want to start decreasing. Okay, first make a chain, and now I have to make 1 decrease half double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into same space here and yarn over, pull up a loop, then go to next stitch and yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through all 4 loops on the hook to make a decreased half double crochet. Then go to next stitch and make 1 half double crochet into that. The number of half double crochets becomes 2. Now make 1 decrease half double crochet into 3rd loop. Okay, yarn over, insert the hook behind these 2 loops here into 3rd loop of next stitch and yarn over, pull up a loop, then go to 3rd loop of next stitch and yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through all loops, then make 1 half double crochet into 3rd loop of next stitch. And the number of 3rd loop half double crochets becomes 2. Again, repeat that work. Make 1 decrease half double crochet over next 2 stitches, then make 1 half double crochet into next stitch, and then make 1 decrease half double crochet over 3rd loop of next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and yarn over, pull through all loops, then make 1 half double crochet into 3rd loop of next stitch. And repeat that work and continue this sequence until the end of the round. Okay, now at the end, make a slip stitch to first decrease stitch just made and attach the yarn. Now for next row, make a chain and make 1 half double crochet into 3rd loop of first 2 stitches. We don't decrease stitches in this round. 1 and 2, and then make 1 normal half double crochet into next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and repeat that work again. Make 1 half double crochet into 3rd loop of next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and 1 normal half double crochet under both loops of next 2 stitches, and continue this sequence until the end. Now for next round, after joining with slip stitch to first half double crochet, make a chain and make 1 half double crochet into first 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and then make a decrease half double crochet over 3rd loop of next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and yarn over, pull through all loops. Okay, the number of stitches in each part, in each repeat, becomes 3. Okay, and repeat that again. Make 1 half double crochet under both loops of each of next 2 stitches, and then decrease next 2 stitches together through 3rd loop of them, and repeat that work until the end. Okay, now after joining, for next round, make a chain and make 1 decrease half double crochet over 3rd loop of first 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and then make 1 half double crochet into next stitch, and repeat that work. The number of stitches in each repeat becomes 2. One more time. Make 1 decrease half double crochet into 3rd loop of each of next 2 stitches, and then make 1 half double crochet into next stitch, and you have to continue this work until the end of the round. 1 and 2, make a decrease half double crochet, and then make 1 half double crochet under both loops of next stitch. Repeat that work. And now the last round is finished. Make a slip stitch into first stitch and fasten off. And cut the yarn and hide this yarn through the stitches. And now our messy bun is ready. You can make it for each size you want. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment and like the video. Have a nice day.